Hi friends, SEBI categorized mutual funds into these 5 types: equity schemes, debt schemes, hybrid schemes, solution oriented schemes, other schemes. And equity schemes are further classified into 12 types. Present video is about 10th one, contra fund. There are 3 commonly used investment styles or strategies adopted by a mutual fund manager: value strategy, growth strategy, contrarian strategy. If a value strategy is used to create a portfolio for a fund, then that fund is known as value fund. Growth strategy is used to design a growth fund, and a contrarian strategy is used for creating a contra fund. Are you the kind of investor likes to take a little adventure in investments? If yes, then you need to know about contra funds. Take one example. There is one AMC, asset management company. Company launched one contra fund scheme and collected corpus from investors. Then the fund manager of AMC must invest maximum portion of this corpus, that is minimum 65% of corpus, in contra stocks of public limited companies. Remaining 35% of corpus he may invest in other stocks. Now the question is, what is the meaning of contra stocks? As per Oxford Dictionary, the word contra means opposite, and it is a short form of contrarian. Now, contrarian investment strategy means against the wind kind of investment style. Fund manager behaves against the market trends. Going left when whole world is going right is not contrarian investment strategy. Going left because you think that the people who are going towards right are wrong is known as contrarian investment strategy. In simple words, disagreeing the investment strategy because many people are following it is not contrarian approach. Disagreeing the investment strategy because you have equally strong opposite investment strategy is known as contrarian approach. If you got this point, then understanding the philosophy of contrarian investment strategy is a cakewalk to you. Let us see under contrarian investment strategy how a fund manager creates portfolio for contra fund. During bear markets means when market is underperforming, the share prices of number of companies decrease day by day. Ordinary investors start selling their securities during this moment, but a contra fund manager purchases the stocks of these companies or sectors. Similarly, during bull markets means when market is performing well, as day by day share prices are increasing, other investors show interest to buy the shares. At this moment, contra fund manager tries to sell the securities. Thus, fund manager tries to behave against the market trends. And one more point is, while investing in the stocks of these companies, fund manager selects the stocks which are unpopular, underperforming. These stocks are neglected by other investors. So these stocks are known as contra stocks. As these stocks are unpopular, the market price of these stocks will be less. If a portfolio is designed with these type of stocks, then the portfolio units are available at less NAVs. Therefore, the mutual fund investors can avail fund units at cheaper NAVs. And the underlying philosophy of contrarian investment strategy is, fund manager thinks that even though these stocks are unpopular at that moment, the companies which are offering these stocks are having some good qualities, like they are fundamentally sound and they have great potential to grow in long run. Due to some short-term triggers, these stocks are underperforming at present. Once that short-term triggers are mitigated, the market price of these stocks will move up, resulting an increase in NAV of one mutual fund unit. At this moment, by redeeming his units, the fund investor can earn superlative returns. Thus, contra fund works with the hope of gaining when market sentiment reverses. If you browse the history of Indian equity market, you will find several stocks that were once underperformers and then turned into multi-baggers for the investors. Contra fund portfolio contains such stocks. It may take a long time for contra stocks to get noticed by other investors. When contra funds are noticed by other investors, then only the prices of contra funds will begin to climb. It may take long time, so the investors of contra fund need to have more patience. And remember, while designing the portfolio for a contra fund, the fund manager follows the principle of diversification. As per this, the maximum portion of corpus will be invested in the stocks of large cap companies, mid cap companies and small cap companies, which belong to different sectors. Let us move to some more important points. First point is contra fund versus value fund. On value fund topic, I made a separate video. Link is available in the description box. Often contra funds are confused with value funds, because in case of these two funds, fund manager creates a portfolio with the undervalued and underperforming stocks. But the difference here is, in case of contra funds, the portfolio stocks belong to the companies which may develop in future. But in case of value fund, the portfolio stocks belong to the companies which are already developed, and due to some reasons these company stocks are undervalued. And another point is, these two funds follow same investment principle, that is, buy the stocks at a low price, sell them at high price. In addition to that, in case of contra fund, fund manager follows contrarian strategy also. As per this strategy, when other investors are selling, he purchases the stocks, and when other investors are buying, he sells the stocks. That is the difference between these two funds. Second point is less volatile. The portfolio of contra fund holds underperforming stocks. As these are underperforming stocks, already their market price and fund unit NAV are low when fund manager is buying them. So when market falls, you cannot see further decrease in market price or NAV of these stocks. Thus, these stocks are less volatile. Last point is market price may not increase. So the fund manager invests maximum portion of corpus in contra stocks. As these stocks are underperforming, market price of these stocks will be less. Therefore, investor can avail contra fund units at lower NAVs. The assumption here is, when these companies develop, then their market price and fund NAV increases. Then investor can redeem his mutual fund units at a higher NAVs by gaining high profits. But if the assumption of fund manager goes wrong, then company may not develop further and you cannot see any increase in market price or NAV. In that case, investor has to suffer losses because there is no increase in NAV of one fund unit. Thus, these funds come under high risk, high return category. If you are new to mutual fund investments, then these funds are not recommended for you. If you are risk prone investor, if you are interested to stay invested for a long period, minimum for 5 years, then you can think about contra fund. And financial planners suggest that in your total investment, allot only 10 to 15% on contra funds. I hope you got some idea about what is a contra fund. Thank you.